When you want to put things together in the Adobe Suite, the bit of software that's designed for you to put things together is called InDesign, sort of this ID thing. When I click on File and New, I get a choice of things, and if it's just one page, which is what it's going to be, it's a document. So click on Document and it comes up, and it asks me a set of questions. So it says, do you want to print the document? You might want to web or digitally publish the document. No, I want to print it. I'm going to print out this. When I print it out, how big is the piece of paper you print on going to be? Well, it's going to be A4, but I want to change it to landscape. Okay, so if I go over that changes it to landscape. The margins are how much blank space do you want to leave around the outside. Well, I don't want to leave a lot of space around the outside. I'm going to leave about 0.5 centimeters. And if I click on 1, notice it changes all the others to the same. The margin is shown by this pink line, and really you shouldn't have anything outside the margins of the page. So I've left a nice blank space around the outside. So I've told it I wanted to put on the screen a piece of A4 landscape paper with a 0.5 centimeter margin around the outside. Now I'm going to use this to put all the parts of my book together. So what I need to do is start drawing what are called placeholders, and these are places I can put my completed content, so my front cover, my back cover and my spine. Now this isn't the right size, but if I click on it here, I can go up here and tell it the right size. Well, if I look at my worksheet, I can see that the front cover and therefore the back cover should be 11.8 centimeters wide, and the W means wide, so 11.8 centimeters wide, and the height should be 16.8 centimeters, so 16.8 centimeters tall. So that is now the right height for what I want. I want a front and a back, so I can either draw another one or I can copy and paste it. Well, so we can see it again, I'm going to draw another one. So just draw a shape on the screen. The width should be 11.8. The height should be 16.8, and that's now right, and I can move that around. Now depending on which project you're doing, you might just want a front or a front and a back, or you might want a front and a back and a spine. So on this one I'm going to put a spine in. So draw that shape there, and the spine needs to have a width of 1.4 centimeters, and the height is going to be the same at 16.8 centimeters. And now what I need to do is put all of this together. So the spine goes there, and the front goes here. Now these are quite thick lines. These are 1 point thick lines, and if you want to be really accurate, you can actually need to make the lines, all of the lines, a little bit thinner. So I'm going to change them down to the thinnest I can get away with, which is 0.25. And if I now zoom in with Control and plus and move up to the top of the screen, okay, I can see that those are not quite on top of each other. Okay, you see there's a very small little gap inside there. So if I want to be really accurate, I can bring that shape in and get it to absolutely line up, and I should be able to see 3 lines. Okay, so I'll just see the 2 like that. So that now is the right shape. I think you've got to remember, if you think about a book, that's the front, that's the spine, and that's the back. We call this a template. It's something which is the right size and shape for my book cover. Now, providing you've made your parts the right size when you've made them in Illustrator or made them in Photoshop or whatever you've made them, there won't be a problem putting this together. It's not copy and paste or open or import. You're looking for place. So if you click on place, it then says, okay, what do you want to place there? Well, I want to place my complete cover. If I click open, what comes up is a little tag which I can move around, and it's asking me, where do you want to put this? Okay, and where I want to put it is on the front cover. So providing I click somewhere inside this blue box, the program will think, oh, he wants to put it inside there, and providing they're the same size, it'll fit it in beautifully. Okay. If you notice, the quality looks a little bit low, looks like it's gone a bit fuzzy. That's because InDesign normally thinks that you don't want to see a very good quality when you're just working on it. If you want to see it at high quality, then View and Display Performance, turn it to high, and we see what we've got now is a high quality front cover. If I'd made my back cover, I could place that in there. If I'd made my spine, I could place that into there. So the right way to make your work is to make things the right size to fit, and then save them, and then make your template and place the things you want onto your InDesign file.